Minnah Beauty's herbal hair growth oil claims to promote hair growth, strengthen strands, and nourish the scalp with natural ingredients like rosemary, fenugreek, and castor oil, but does it really live up to the hype? Or is it just another overpromised product? After looking into it, there are some things buyers should consider before making a purchase. While the ingredients used in the formula have been traditionally linked to hair health, no scientific studies or clinical trials are provided by the brand to confirm these effects. The claim that it stimulates hair growth for visibly fuller and healthier hair is something to be cautious about, as hair growth depends on multiple factors like genetics, diet, and scalp condition, not just topical oils. Another concern is the company's lack of transparency. Regarding its manufacturing process, there's no information on where the product is made, whether it's third-party tested or if it meets cosmetic industry standards. Additionally, their no-refund policy means that once you buy it, there's no getting your money back if it doesn't work for you. What's even more concerning is that the website does not provide proper contact information, making it difficult to reach out for any queries or concerns. So, while the ingredients themselves might have potential benefits, the lack of transparency and scientific backing raises some red flags. If you're considering this product, it might be best to do more research and weigh your options before spending your money. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Minnah Crack Hair Oil and what your experience was like.